Hello everybody, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you 3 different useful functions that you can use in Google Sheets to improve your efficiency. The average function, the count function, and the min and max functions. I'm not covering the sum function in this video because I covered it in my last one, so if you haven't seen that, be sure to go check it out. Let's start off using the average function. We can see here that we have a wide variety of student test scores. Some of them did really well. Some of them did really bad. In this case, I want to put their average on their report card, the class average. So up here, in the FX letters, I can actually type here, I'm going to put an equal sign, usually at the end of equations, but in this case, at the beginning. I'm going to write the word average. This is telling Google Sheets I want to use the average functions. I'm going to open the brackets, and I'm going to put where my information starts. In this case, it starts at cell A2. I'm going to put a colon in between A2 to tell Google Sheets to collect everything from A2 to where my information ends, in this case, A15. We can see that Google Sheets automatically makes an orange box to tell us this is what we're collecting. If this is correct, we can close the brackets out and click off of that cell. We can automatically see that it made the average for us. But in this case, it's a bit too long of a decimal number. I don't like it, so I'm going to go up here to my menu, and in more formats, I'm going to click the number button. This makes the decimals only 2 points, and I think this looks much better. Next, let's talk about using counts. I've used this table before to calculate how many people came to the restaurant each day. But in this case, I want to see how many families came to the restaurant each day. So instead of adding all the numbers together, I'm going to add all of the cells together. They're each worth 1 point. So once again, up here, when I'm in my correct cell, where my total is, I'm going to go to the FX, put my equal sign first, then write the word in all caps, count. We can see here, tells us how to use the word count. Open up your brackets, and in this case we're not going straight down, we're going across. So find your top left point, in this case it is B2. Put the colon in between B2 and find the bottom right point, D7. D7, it makes the orange box for us, and if this is correct, in my case it is correct, I can close out my brackets and have my count. I counted all of these boxes individually, and Google Sheets telling me there's 18. Finally, we're going to use the min and the max feature. Let's say I need to fire someone and give someone a promotion. Each employee that I had brought in a total number of sales. So I want to find the min. I'm going to do what I've done before, put in equals, and write the word min. Now, open your brackets, and I'm sure you know how this works by now. Find your top point and your bottom point, like we've done using averages. In this case, starts at B2, put your colon in between, it goes to B8. Close your brackets, click off of it, and you can see our lowest sales figure of the year. Now this is coming straight from the list. It organized all of these numbers and saw which one was the lowest. Now, you could write this all again, or because they're so similar, you could just Control-C and Control-V into your max. Now, change out the min for, of course, the word max. And it found our max number in all of these sales figures. In this case, it was 890,000. So we have our min and our max, and we can fire someone and give someone a promotion. These are 3 different ways that you can use functions in Google Sheets to improve your efficiency and just be better in Google Sheets in general. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will hopefully see you guys in the next one.